Let's talk about now Linux sound architecture. So on top of our Linux sound architecture, we have application in place. So applications are the applications, all applications running in the operating system, which are dealing with audio somehow. Okay, let's say playback or audio capturing. So these application basically runs in the user space in the Linux. Okay, and then we have framework. So framework play a mediocre role in between application and the hardware basically. So it behaves like a server to the applications. So applications, if application wants to have an interaction with the hardware, so they can have the interaction only via this sound framework. So they will generate a request to the application framework, and then this framework will further communicate with the hardware, and after communicating with the hardware it will reply back to the application with the desired result. Okay, so the all communication between application and hardware happens through this sound framework. And the sound behave framework, as I mentioned earlier, it behaves like a server to the all the application present into the system. So now let's understand the scenario why this sound framework is needed or audio framework is needed. So the first thing is like if an app developer wants to develop an application which wants to deal with different audio devices, okay, and it wants to develop an application, generic application basically, which can be play on different audio devices. So the thing is like if this sound framework will not be in place, so everything like interaction of the hardware, managing of buffer, creating of buffers, and then managing the devices, all these things has to be done by application itself. Otherwise, if you will try to play any of the audio without managing the device, if you will send the request to the hardware, but hardware will not able to recognize it, like what exactly the context is. So basically to make these application independent of the hardware, so that these application can run on different hardwares, we use sound framework basically, which provide the standard mechanism for interaction between the application and hardware. And the other thing is it basically hides the complexity of hardware present into the system. So for audio application developer, they don't need to basically understand the schematic or spec of the device or the hardware present into the system, because this all complexity is hidden by now Linux sound framework. And the other thing is like this, by doing like or by using the sound framework, basically we standardize the sound application development or the audio application development. And the life of application developer is very easy by using this Linux sound framework. So this was the importance of Linux sound framework in the real world. Thank you.